Hey guys, Scott here from Alpha Nerd Tech. How's it going? Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. I know I am. We actually went up north to the new house and we checked everything out. Everything's doing amazing. The progress is great. You can check out somewhere here a video I put together. It's just a quick little 3-minute short, but just a quick walkthrough on the upgrade or on the status, not the update and everything. And you can see how it's going and what's going on with it. It's yeah, I'm getting excited. August 1st, we get the keys to the house and we get to put this place on the market and hopefully get out of it soon and just get everything started with a new life and new home. And yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Progress is going well. Floors, carpets, hardwood, all that's done. The plumbing or the most of the fixtures are in. They got a couple bathrooms to finish up and everything. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath house. Me and the fiance and her son and brother and sister, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing. Can't wait. So yeah, things are getting kind of exciting, but a little hectic around here. So videos are coming few and far between. We're also starting to focus a little more on some shorts just to get our life out there and how things are going. And life can be crazy with the Filipina. So, they're amazing people, amazing woman. The Filipino culture is amazing. So anyway, that's not the reason for this video. So let's get into it. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing and install of the UGreen docking station. So as you all know, I use my Mac Mini for pretty much everything. I have the upgraded myself to a 2 terabyte unit. It's got the 10 gig NIC in it, and I just wanted something for a little more storage on the, for my videos and stuff, because this is my main machine. I don't use a Mac Studio or anything. I don't need anything that crazy. And yeah, I just wanted to get a docking station for it for a while, and I've been waiting for something decent to come out, and I like UGreen's products, even though they turned down my collab for now because our community's a little too small for what they're used to dealing with. That's okay. UGreen, if you go watch this, I bought this with my own money, and I'm going to give an honest review, and maybe we can set something up in the future. So anyway, I'm going to pair that with the Crucial P310. I like the Crucial memory. I really like it when I get the size that I paid for. So this is a 2 terabyte. Amazon's been doing some weird stuff lately, and I got a 500 meg last time I ordered one of these. So anyway, let's get this over on the bench, get it opened up, and let's put it all together and see how it does. All right, so here we are on the bench, desktop, whatever you want to call it, and let's get her opened up. We're doing this together. I did not pregame this one, so let's not cut my fingers off. There we go. And since we got this guy out, let's just get this guy opened up here too also. Is that it? That looks like it's it. Yeah, perfect. Oh, a little more. There we go. Perfect. Little garbage book. Warnings. Save up to 80% on Acronis True Image. No, thank you. All right, so yeah, I hate these things. All right, so here we go. Get this thing going, get it out of the box. And oh, one of those, okay. Very nice looking little unit. Aluminum matches the Mac Mini really well. Over here we got a 10 gig USB, another 10 gig. We got the USB-C, we got the display port output, and then over here we've got a couple more 10 gigs, SD slot, and a TF card slot. So let's get this thing hooked up to the Mac Mini, and let's see how it does. Let's put an SSD in here first, an NVMe M2, and we'll see how it does. Let's get rid of this junk. But before we get rid of that junk, here we go. There is an actual screwdriver in here for opening that guy up. So go ahead and get that back cover off. Very simple. And it looks like it did not come with any kind of heat transfer. Nope, nothing in here. Just double check that, but I see something in there. Oh, it did, actually. I was going to say I actually have some over here that I could have used also, but it did come with it, so I don't have to use my own. So that's good to know. It comes with the heat transfer. Okay, so now we can pop this guy out of here and put it in here. And then this heat transfer will go right on top of here. And we'll stick this guy on. But let's pull the plastic off here first. Here we go. I don't think, yeah, it is actually on both sides. Again, I'm going to put it on top of the chips and then let it stick to here. Yeah, perfect. But let's screw it down first. I was just testing anyway. It does have the slot in it, so it's got the little slot in it that the NVMe will go into, like so. And we can screw that down real quick. Throw the back on there. Put the two screws back in there. All right. Here we have it. I like the little button spot here for hitting the button on the power button whenever we have to, which isn't very often. So now we're just going to set this guy up on top of there. So we're going to match it up here. And I made sure I had everything unplugged. And that'll plug in just like that. And I still have a free spot back there. And this will sit up here like this with, don't mind the fingerprints, but here you go. Two USBs up front. Got the SD card and the TF card or micro SD. And then I can plug my monitor in here and everything else. So let's get her booted up and get some screen recording going, and I will get some speed tests on that NVMe SSD. So let's see how it goes. So right when I booted it up, it came up and said that this disk was not readable and I had to do a quick format. I just went ahead and took care of that instead of boring you guys through that part, but I did set it up as the Apple file system, and I gave it a name, just called it my YT vids and images. And yeah, that's it. So that was all it took to get it set up for the hard drive. We'll get out of there, and then we're going to go into disk speed tests, and we're going to make sure the target is this one, which is the new one. And let's go ahead and run a speed test on this. And I was thinking right around 1,000. So yeah, that's perfect. Not expecting much more than that. Doesn't need to be a speed demon or anything. It's just going to be for backing up videos and a little extra storage for YouTube content and stuff. So yeah, perfect. I'm okay with that. Yeah, no complaints there. Like I said, it'll work perfect for what I'm using it for. Just a little extra ports and dock and some more storage. So I didn't really buy it for the storage anyway. That's just a bonus. I wanted more of the ports for the video capture device and some other stuff. So yeah, so that works. And then one more thing we're gonna do is, just do a quick speed test. And yeah, we'll go ahead and run a speed test and see if the Wi-Fi gets slowed down. So first of all, this is my ISP speeds currently. Running a little bit slow right now, but I think they got some games going on in the other room or something. So this is connected through the 10 gig NIC. So 902 and about 840, 830, yeah, 850. So let me go ahead and unplug the 10 gig. And we're going to go ahead and run Wi-Fi. Now my Wi-Fi only runs right around the 500s in this office. So let's see what we get right now. Yeah, it's pretty standard for my Wi-Fi speeds inside this office. That's actually pretty fast. That's quite a bit faster than I usually get. I usually get around 590s. So this thing definitely does not slow down the internet at all. I know there was a couple older units out there that would somehow block the antenna or something on the bottom of these things, because that is right where the antenna is right on the bottom plate. And this does not do that at all. I'm not getting any. I mean, that's actually excellent. I'm getting better speeds right now than I usually get, but I know it has nothing to do with the docking station, but it's definitely running a lot better. So yeah, guys, so that's it for the docking station. I hope you guys liked this video. Like and subscribe. Channel's growing. You guys are awesome. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers, so let's keep going. And let's build it up. And yeah, life's good right now. Let's keep going with the channel, build it up. You guys need anything, want to see anything, let me know. Send me a comment, send me an email. I got the email down below. There is an affiliate link to this thing down below. Also, if you're interested in picking it up, I think right now with the sale, I mean, I don't want to say the price, that this price is going to last forever, but it's this thing, and it's after Prime Day. So just so you know, this is not a before Prime Day video. So this thing's, I think, right around 69, 70 bucks. So yeah, let's pick one up if you guys are really looking for one. The link down below does help out the channel, helps me buy more stuff like this. Not looking to get rich off this thing or anything, just have some fun and test some stuff out. I did start purchasing the stereo system for the EV truck for the Silverado, and we're going to start tearing apart some door panels and installing an amp and possibly a spare battery and everything else that goes along with it. I'm going pretty big in it for power. I love my sound. I love my music. So yeah, like, subscribe, and tune in more to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.